2 points on a line in xy plane. See, generally if you take 2 points, P is a point x1 comma y1 and another point Q x2 comma y2, then the distance between these two PQ bar is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula to find distance between 2 points. Now I am going to tell you how can we get this formula. PQ bar is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here points are P and Q, so that only here we have considered PQ bar. Suppose if you consider points A and B, AB bar is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Like that we will get. See, now I will going to derive the formula between distance between 2 points. See, let us consider xy plane like this. We all know that vertical line is y-axis, horizontal line is x-axis, where these two lines meet at one point, that is origin O. See, you need to consider 2 points in xy plane. One point is P, here I am considering P x1 comma y1, here another point Q I am considering here, that is x2 comma y2. So if you consider a point P here, the distance from y-axis to the point P is x coordinate, this is x1. Like that only the distance from point P to x-axis is y coordinate, y1. Like that only here, from here to here, the distance is y2. Next, from here to here is distance is x2, isn't it? So name this one as A, this one as B, this one as C, this one as D, as per our wish, no problem at all. See here, C to P is same as O to B, so this one is also x1. Next, Q to A, the total length from here to here is y2. Am I correct or not? QA bar is equal to DO bar is nothing but y1. From here to here is also y2. Sorry, here to here is y2. Here to here is also y2. Next, DQ bar is x2. From this figure, we can write as OB bar is equal to CP bar is equal to x1. Next, OA bar is equal to DQ bar is equal to x2. OA bar is equal to DQ bar is equal to x2. After that, from P to B, y1. P to B is equal to y1. After that, QA bar is equal to DO bar is equal to y2. QA bar is equal to DO bar is equal to y2. See here, the distance from here to here is same as here to here, because OA and DQ are parallel lines. The distance between these 2 points is same. Here to here is same, as well as here to here is also same. After that, you need to extend the C to P up to R. Keep this one as R. You have to extend CP up to R like this. So this is R. Name this point as R. When you extend C to P, CP up to R, that will become here to here is CR. So the total length from here to here is x2 because dq is same as cr. So that only from here to here is x2. Now our intention is we need to find distance between these 2 points p, q. This is the distance we need to find in this problem. P to q. We have to find distance between P to Q. When you join P and Q like this, so you will get a triangle. PQR triangle. So here we will get 90 degrees right angle. Now you will get right angle triangle, that is PQR, right angle at R. After that, what is the length from P to R? We have to know. After that, what is the length from Q to R? We need to find. See here, from here to here is C to R is x2 because C to R is same as O to A. Next, D to Q. So here we will get CR is also equal to x2. But our intention is we need to find PR. So PR is nothing but PR bar is equal to CR bar minus CP bar. Means CR bar is x2 minus CP bar value is x1. So its value from here to here is x2 minus x1. After that, we need to find QR. If you want to find QR length, we need to subtract RA from QA. What is the length from Q to A? Q to A length is y2. From this, we need to subtract RA. What is the length from RA? So RA is same as PB because here to here is y1. Same distance here also we will get. So from here to here is y1. From here to here is y2. Total distance from here to here is y2. Here to here is y1. Then what is the distance from here to here? y2 minus y1. You need to remember. See, we need to write here. RQ bar is equal to QA bar minus RA bar. y2 minus y1. We got RQ bar is equal to y2 minus y1. Now take a triangle. This is y2 minus y1. Take a triangle. Now take a triangle. Take a triangle PQR, right angle at R. Isn't it? A side which is opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. According to Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of remaining two sides. Isn't it? So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square in a right angle triangle. See here, if you consider this figure here, right angle triangle, here I am considering this is Q, this is P, and this is here I am drawing this triangle. This is P, this is Q, this is R. From here to here is y2 minus y1. Only this triangle I have drawn here. At the time, this value is x2 minus x1. Here 90 degrees. Here is theta. We need to find distance from P to Q. So according to Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse is equal to side square plus side square. So PQ bar whole square is equal to PR bar whole square plus RQ bar whole square. Now PR bar, what is the length of PR? x2 minus x1 whole square plus what is the length of QR bar? y2 minus y1 whole square. Next, taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. At that time we will get square root of pq bar whole square is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now square root gets cancelled. Therefore, we will get pq bar is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula to find distance between 2 points. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is the formula to find distance between 2 points. Okay. Thank you.